Hello, welcome to the Fat Ugly Toad on YouTube. The last time I was in a Dollar Tree store buying Hampton Farms roasted peanuts in the shell for my crow friends Broken Feather and Shy Girl, I snatched up this toy someone had left in the wrong aisle next to the generic foot powder and butt ointment. It looked cool and fun, and it was only $1, so I thought it might be an entertaining subject for a video, and maybe some people might be curious about this inexpensive toy. What do you get for $1 these days? Let's take a look. Make It Blocks. Soldier with Tank. Compatible. The back of the box. The top of the box. The side of the box. The other side of the box. The bottom of the box. What's this? I have never used one of these, and I don't plan to start. I might not need instructions at all, but I think they should be included, if not inside, then on the box itself. Perhaps they are inside. Let's see what we have. Instructions. Groovy. In color. And a bag of Lego-like building bricks. How Lego-like are they? It's difficult to tell when looking through this cellophane baggie. I'll grab some scissors and we can find out. These instructions should make for a faster video. Otherwise, I might have made some modern art. Oh boy. I think that amount of the genuine article, like in a little grab bag for instance, would cost a bit more than $1 under most circumstances. The instructions curled, so I placed them under the clear plastic cover of this 3-ring binder to hold them flat. Pause here if you would like to examine the included instructions. Not the most colorful set of Lego-like bricks, but personally, I like that. In their defense, the set is called Soldier with Tank, so I'm glad it isn't bright and cheerful. Okay, I arranged the Lego-esque bricks as shown in the what you need / are supposed to have picture in the instructions. Nothing is missing. Here's a few not Lego brand building blocks up close. You can see some sort of indentation in one circle on each brick. I don't care. Do you care? This piece has numbers on the side. Odd, but again, I don't care. I shall now use my super speed powers to build this model toy. The quality of this product overall is high, in my opinion. The turret rotates. How about more light? It comes with a driver, but not a full minifigure. Cool driver though. Let's have a look. sunglasses. Great helmet. It's difficult to make out because of my bad photography, but the pilot is molded seated at the controls. If you look closely, you can see hands on a steering wheel, legs, feet, other controls, a chair. Pretty cool if you ask me. The inside of his head is hollow. You could stash a pill in there if you wanted to. Again, cool helmet. I doubt a Legoland minifigure could wear this helmet though. The completed model. Basic and cool. It reminds me of early Legoland Space, but in green instead of gray. Maybe it's a Space Marine. The turret barely turns with the driver in place, however. The wheels work. How did it do that? Okay, that's enough of that. I said that's enough. Using the box art and a magnet from the back of a used-up refrigerator notepad, also an oxymoron sticker maker I bought inexpensively at a Walmart store, I made a cool refrigerator magnet. But that's just stupid. Let's take a look at the actual play value of this set of Lego-ish. With a slight redesign, the turret now turns with the driver in place. Next, I made a wacky racer. This set is ready for some Mario Kart. Don't forget the front Gatling cannon. Take that, Donkey Kong. Next, I built what I call the Dart X800 attack glider. Meow. Next, I built a swivel attack cannon. If you buy two identical sets, you could build a vehicle with both a driver and a cannon operator. Bang. Bang, bang. Okay, enough. Time to disassemble and put this away. Can you believe this was $1? I enthusiastically recommend it, and that isn't just the head pill talking. I folded the instructions in half, and the whole set fits in a snack bag. I don't know why the box was so big. A tiny plastic Tupperware would be even better, or a plastic travel soap bar dish. I don't collect these, so this will go into a lot of stuff I find for resale. Since it only costs $1, it won't stand alone. Also, I have a nice magnet memory. Oh, and a video. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.